Mop-Elastic Aqua Defense is one of the most trusted and popular liquid-applied waterproofing membranes on the market because of the ease of application and its unmatched track record of success. 2 even coats applied with a 3/8" nap roller should give you the 20 mils of dry film thickness needed to ensure proper performance. That's about the thickness of a credit card. Another good indicator of proper installation is if 2 coats is giving you about 60 square feet of coverage per gallon. If you're getting 2 times that coverage, it's not your lucky day. You're just stretching it too thin. Remember, there's no such thing as mostly waterproof. And just a heads up, we've changed the color of Mop-Elastic Aqua Defense to a light bluish green to improve visibility for chalk lines. It's the same great product you've always used, it's just in a different color. Look for the sticker on the bucket, and it'll let you know whether you've received some of the newly colored product, and so you won't be so surprised when you open it. For help with any of your waterproofing needs, please call us at 1-800-992-6273 or visit our website.